Hey, welcome. Alright, you know why you are here, so let's start. So, I made this from a basic shape, of course. But if you don't know how to make a basic shape, just download the file from the description. So, main purpose of this dress is that this dress should look tighter. So I'm gonna make it tighter. Well, when I get a basic shape, I start the sleeve. The sleeve might look tedious, but don't worry. It is tedious, but I'm gonna simplify it. First, make a basic sleeve, and then make it full. Easy peasy. The sleeve should be tight also. Now with an internal line, I'm gonna add a line here and cut and sew. And add a line here and cut and sew. Now with the cool technique, I'm gonna add a point here and here. Well, if you don't know what I'm doing here, just go and watch the beta show tutorial. You will get that. Now I'm gonna add an internal line from this point to this point and cut and delete. Right, I get a basic shape now. Now I'm gonna add a shoulder ruffle. Very easy. Just add a circle, then add an internal line, cut, delete. Now with extra care, you have to sew this with this tool, M and free sewing. Now you have to follow me. Alright, so from here, 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 and here. Now very important, press enter. And sew it like this. And again, very important, hit enter. Well, now I'm gonna simulate. And boom. Now time for the sleeve part. That's the reason you're here, right? Anyway, first select this line of this sleeve, offset as internal line. I'm gonna go 6 times with 65mm. Alright. Now I'm gonna add a circle, delete the middle, you know how, and sew it from here to here. And simulate. Now it's your creativity of how you want this. I want kinda big ruffle thingy, so I make it bigger and reduce the particle distance. Now what I'm gonna do will be repeat it, so watch carefully. First, right click and layer clone over. Remove the linked editing and delete the sewing. Sew it with the second line and simulate. And do the exact same thing throughout the sleeve. When you reach the top, you just have to deactivate the shoulder ruffle, otherwise it will cause problem. And when it's done, activate it again. Now select all the sleeves and Ctrl D to copy to the other side. And here we go. Now this part. Alright, first I'm gonna add a rectangle and sew it to this. Place it on the waist area, Ctrl D to copy, sew and simulate. Now I'm gonna use really a cool tool in CLO3D, which is fullness line. And with that tool, I'm gonna do from this to this and lower the length and hit OK. So now it will be a little bit tighter, which I want. Wonderful. Now I'm gonna select these points, right click, convert to curve point. Now what I'm gonna do will make your computer blow. Yeah. So I'm gonna select this line and this line, right click, distribute internal line between segments, 35, and hit OK. Now right click while they are selected and hit cut and sew. And wait, because it will take a little while. Now select everything, right click, layer clone over. Well, then reduce the collision thickness and particle distance and simulate. And boom, amazing effect. Now what I'm gonna do not try this at home, please. So I was stupid. I just selected all the lines and thought I would add an internal line, but bruh. I'm sorry, CLO3D. I know I gave you a lot of pressure. Don't leave. That is what that is. Well, don't do that part, please.